Every time we eat, drink, or even breathe, we introduce trace amounts of toxins into our bodies. Over time, these microscopic invaders begin to accumulate, slowly overwhelming our primary biological filter. That filter is your liver. And while it is incredibly resilient, it has a strict processing limit. When we constantly consume highly processed foods, questionable water, or alcohol, we push the liver well past its capacity to clean our blood. When the liver cannot process the backlog, it enters a state of oxidative stress. Instead of flushing these toxins out, it begins storing them locally as fat, which directly damages the surrounding healthy cells. A sluggish liver is actively hoarding the very poisons it is supposed to eliminate. To stop this cycle, we simply have to deliberately flush the system to get it functioning optimally again. You can repair this damage using a specific 14-day protocol that relies entirely on natural, simple ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. To start, you need to gather exactly 5 items: turmeric powder, black pepper, amla juice, Karela juice, and raw garlic. This routine works because it dictates exactly when to consume each item. It is a precise, chronological sequence designed to maximize biological absorption from the moment you wake up until you go to sleep. Step 1 happens the moment you wake up. On an empty stomach, mix half a teaspoon of turmeric powder into a single glass of lukewarm water. Looking at this diagram of a liver cell, turmeric's curcumin neutralizes jagged free radicals, but there's a biological barrier. Consumed alone, curcumin bounces off unabsorbed. Adding a pinch of black pepper suppresses metabolic pathways, allowing curcumin to reach liver cells. Without that addition of black pepper, the entire morning flush routine fails to deliver results. Step 2 requires mixing exactly 2 tablespoons of amla juice and 2 tablespoons of Karela juice into another glass of lukewarm water. As seen by this strict countdown, there is an unbreakable rule. You must consume this drink exactly 1 hour before eating lunch. During that hour, Amla delivers a massive dose of vitamin C to block free radical damage, while the Karela aggressively targets and reduces inflammation across the liver tissue. Karela juice is especially effective at breaking down and clearing out stubborn fatty deposits left behind by alcohol consumption. Taking this drink well before food ensures your digestive tract absorbs the pure nutrients rapidly, rather than getting bogged down trying to process them alongside a heavy meal. The final step of the daily protocol happens right before you go to bed. You need to consume 2 raw garlic cloves. Raw garlic contains 2 highly active chemical compounds hidden inside, selenium and allicin. While your body rests, these compounds act as nighttime scavengers. They systematically comb the liver to eliminate hidden toxins and clear the cellular environment. If chewing raw garlic is too intense for you, there is a simple workaround. Crush the cloves into a fine paste and swallow it directly with water, treating it just like a pill. Deep sleep provides the specific biological window your liver requires to conduct major repairs. The garlic simply hands your body the exact chemical tools it needs to finish the job. Beyond the 3 core drinks, adjusting a few daily habits will multiply the speed and effectiveness of this chemical detox. Drink green tea each day. This maintains high baseline antioxidants. Prioritize 8 hours of sleep and swap out heavy sides for green, leafy salads. Integrate a multi-herb Ayurvedic supplement to elevate liver enzyme production. The 3 core drinks do the essential heavy lifting of the detox. These lifestyle accelerators remove the remaining biological friction, allowing your liver's natural repair mechanisms to function without unnecessary interference. Looking at this 24-hour timeline, the entire protocol becomes clear. Turmeric in the morning, amla and Karela 1 hour before lunch, and garlic right before bed. By following this exact sequence, you significantly reduce oxidative stress, lower the accumulated fat around your liver, and achieve a more efficient internal filtration process. But you must commit to the full 14 days. True cellular regeneration requires a sustained, unbroken chemical environment to successfully rebuild the damaged tissue. Internal health cannot be bought instantly. It is constructed through daily, deliberate, and precise habits. Go out and gather your turmeric, pepper, amla, Karela, and garlic today, so you are fully prepared to begin the protocol tomorrow morning. If you want precise, biologically grounded health strategies like this one, make sure to subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss an update. taking immediate action today is a necessary step toward maintaining your long-term internal health.